Check that the harness is at the appropriate height for the child. For rear facing, the straps need to be at or below their shoulders. This seat will install 2 upright in my car, so I'm going to use pool noodles to get a proper angle. If you don't have pool noodles handy, you can use a rolled up towel. Cut them so that they are the length of the base, not wider because they can interfere with the seatbelt or the latch strap. Put the noodles in the seat bite. You can use up to 3 noodles, but you don't need to use 3. You can use 1 or 2 if the angle's fine. Expose the belt path by lifting up the cover of the car seat. Route the seat belt through the rear-facing belt path and buckle it in. If your vehicle does not have locking latch plates, then you need to lock it at the retractor by pulling the seatbelt all the way out, making sure it clicks. Put your weight onto the seat and tighten the seatbelt. And remove the slack. Make sure there is no more than 1 inch of movement at the belt path. Up here it's okay if it moves. Just check right here. And then slip the cover back on. And that's it.